Hey y'all, hey, it's Farmer Girl Jones checking in, and today is my very first time going to the feed store to purchase chicken pellets for my very own chickens. I'm going to feed my chickens today. Yay! This is so exciting for me. I'm in a warehouse full of feed for animals. I know it sounds crazy, but it's exciting for me. It really does blow my mind to know that me, Farmer Girl Jones, has chickens. I have chickens. Yes, me. Hey, I need to get some of the pellets. What do I? Yeah, 22. Oh, okay. This is my first time coming here. I know. Is it hurry out there? Oh, my bad. Yeah, put it in the back. Thank you. Oh my God, my first time finally get to see him. I'm holding my chicken for the first time. I was scared, but he told me just to grab it and that they're calm. His wings were flying all over the place, but this one's a beauty. Aww. Say hey. Now I gotta name this one because the other one is so cute. Say hello. Say hey, y'all, hey.
Obviously, that's my rooster.
Yeah, he's so big. Some attention too? Hey. And what's the tag on her ear?
For white silkies. Imagine what that is.
You see me looking at you. Yep. I see you. Oh, beautiful wings. You still chewing? You. Hi, buddy. Hi. Aren't you the cutest? Look at those lashes. You got some long lashes, girl. Where you think you're going? You can't get up here. You can't get up in here. What are you doing?